So let's see today's recipe. So I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan, and to that I'm going to add 8 cloves of garlic chopped fine. Now never heat your olive oil because olive oil has a very low heating point. So the minute you add it to your pan, you just add your garlic. Now I'm going to brown the garlic a little, and now I've got 250 grams of boneless chicken that I've cut into small cubes. I'm just going to add that, and we're going to fry this along with the garlic till the chicken turns from a pink to a white. So this will take you about half a minute. And now we're going to add all the lovely ingredients that make this recipe so delicious. So I'm now going to cover and cook this first for about a minute on a medium flame, and that will help in cooking the chicken. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Mix it up well. Next I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix everything really well together. Coat all of the pieces of the chicken with this Kashmiri chilli powder and salt. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, that is pizza pasta seasoning, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix everything well. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of smoky barbecue sauce. So I'm using the Viva brand. This is not sponsored by them, but this is the product that I use. I will link it below. 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. So all the products that I'm going to be using in this video will be down below this video. You can click on it and purchase it, or purchase it from a regular store or your regular online from wherever you order your stuff. Mix everything well. Now I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now you can reduce the amount to 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. But at our place, we do like the flavor of peanut butter, and that makes this dish really great. Mix everything well together. And I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of schezwan chutney. Again, mix everything well together. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, so that helps in really cooking the chicken and making it nice and juicy. Mix everything well. And now we're just going to cover and cook this for about just 2 minutes on a low flame. And here it's all ready. You can turn off the heat and just garnish it with some lovely finely chopped up coriander leaves. So this, just check that the chicken is cooked, give it a taste test, see whether you want to add any more ingredients before you add the coriander. And now I'll show you how I assemble it. So you can do this with a regular chapati or a roti, but I'm using these tortillas that you get. I've just heated it up with a little clarified butter. I made it nice and light brown. I'm going to add this chicken in the middle, add some cheese, and then roll it up into this roll, and it's really, really delicious.